So today, we'll discuss about the concept called as a movement types. Okay. So yesterday we seen one of the movement types called as a 101. So that is like generally we use it to take the stocks into our inventory. Okay.
Okay.
So what is meant by movement type? What is meant by movement type? So it is like one of the control function for the inventory. So these will indicate these will indicate that the stock transfer from one location to another location, goods issue like a location to outside or incoming stocks, outgoing stocks, okay, scrapping. So whatever it may be, the movement of the material can be controlled by the movement types. Okay.
Okay.
So in the standard system, we have around 300 plus movement types available in the system. Okay. And based on that, we are using. Okay. So these movement types are some standards is there. So it's not required to, you need to create the movement types. Okay. But sometimes we need to enhance. Okay. So if business required anything and if we want to create something new, so we can create that one. Okay, this is August, user August 52,
Yeah,
right?
52.
426123. Okay, so where is that configuration will be there? SPRO, reference IMC, material management, inventory management and physical inventory. Movement types. Okay, so here you can see copy change movement types over here. Here you need to select this movement type. Okay, so here you can see from name to name. So here already there is a 300 plus movement types is there. So if you want to create a new movement type, so generally if you want to go ahead for the some basic level customization, then so not basic level. So if you want to do the some um, that kind of customization can be happen like um, apart from the standardization. See, some things will be happen like you cannot control it way, but it will be handled. Okay, so in that cases, what will happen? So we need to do the some enhancements. Okay, so generally 99% we won't create the new moment types, but in that one case, like where the business required some enhanced functionality. So at that time, what we will do? So what is the functionality then first? So we will understand that one and we will copy from that related to the moment type and we'll create a new moment type. Okay, it is not like that directly new entry. You can see here, there is no new entries available here. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to copy and create something new and you need to make it.
Okay.
Okay, so that way we are using. So here it will take a lot of time if I copy one moment type. So what I'll do, I'll copy 561. Okay, select this one. So click on copy. So everything will be now copied so here it will ask what is a new moment type. So I'll make it as a Z61. Okay.
Okay.
And enter. So it will take generally a lot of time.
So 300 is default, right?
This,
No,
so
no. That before page you copied from
561.
Yeah. So it's default, right?
561 is a standard default. Yeah.
All the moment types should be default.
Yeah.
Okay.
So whatever we do this
covered all the moment types. Suppose if you need anything needed, you can create some other new. Okay.
So generally this standard is there already. Okay. So you want to bifurcate a standard and you want to create something extra, that time only we will go for this one. Otherwise, we won't create. And once you do this one, you need to do the lot of configuration in the backend. I will tell you. So there is a concept called as accounting determination. There you can see like how this movement types will be linked to that particular thing.
Okay.
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 So next is a GR without PO. Okay, the concept is now I want to take the goods receipt. I'm not created any purchase order, but I want to take it as a goods receipt. Okay, so how we'll do? We go. Okay, so here we need to take the goods receipt. So here we need to maintain as a other. Okay, so click on entry. Okay. Board. So you know, right? This MM60.
Yeah. Display. List.
Okay, click on partner. Enter. Just check it. So now you see, there is one more issue. GOB is not there. So where we'll do this one? Go to OBYC. Okay. So what is that issue? GOB. Okay, come down. Generally, this offsetting interest will be there in the ZBB. We'll see. Here it is there. So here it is. Okay. Select this one. Click on copy. What is this one? Valuation classes 0.0. So here you can define anything 3000, 5000. That guy is defined 0.0. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, click on enter and save. Okay. Okay. Click on check. Okay, I think we need to come back. Or what we'll do, we'll enter one more thing. Okay, no, it's okay. Okay. Then, so before doing that one, so we need to see the stock. So always in the material movement type, what you need to consider, you need to consider stock movement, where it is at the stock. So you know it is a 10. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we'll do? Check and post. Okay, now material document is done, and you refresh this one. Okay, now the stock is increases. Okay, so here again you need to see the accounting entries. Display, enter, click on this one, click on F5. Okay, so what is accounting entries? See now inventory is debit, consumption is credit. Okay, so this is will be happen if you want to do the without PO. Okay. So without PO also, you can take the stock into our consideration. Okay. So next we will see the scenario where we want to create a automatic PO. JR without PO. What is the moment type? 501. And fourth one is automatic PO. Automatic PO. Okay, so generally how these things will be handled, like automatic PO creation. Okay, now so business don't want to create any purchase order manually. They want to convert the requisition into order automatically in the backend. Okay, so in that cases, we need to follow some configurations. Okay, so what is that one? So first one is, if you want to create an automatic PO, okay, in the material master record. Okay, there is a button called as a auto indicator, auto PO. So this we need to tick. Okay.
Okay.
Second one is in vendor master. In vendor master, okay. So the auto PO indicator will be there. Auto PO creation, that also we need to tick. Okay. Then in the configuration, material management, inventory management, okay, goods receipt. Okay, so create a PO automatically. So here, the moment types like 101, generally we will take as a reference to goods receipt, and 161 is returns, I mean reversal. Okay, so these moment types we need to make it as a marker. Okay, that thing. And the fourth thing is that is called as enjoy transactions. Okay, so inventory management, enjoy settings for enjoy transactions. So it's a settings for enjoy transactions here. So for 101 moment type and a LIFNR, which is a vendor. So for that, we need to make it as a optional entry. Okay, so these are the four configurations we need to consider, and we need to create the PO. Okay, so first automatically. So without having anything, like we can create the PO in the two ways. Okay, from the PR you can create automatically PO, and or directly when you're doing the GR, automatically the PO need to create. So for the both scenarios, we need to do this configuration. Okay, so we'll see in the system like MM02. Okay. What is the plant code? Sorry. So okay, so there is an indicator, auto PO indicator. You need to make it as a select. Okay, so this is the first setting. Okay. So next, what is our BP? Okay. So click on execute. This one only we are doing, right? Order creation. Yeah. So double select this one. Okay. Go to the role FLV N00. So click on enter FLV N01. Okay. Okay, so go to the purchasing. Okay. So here there is one more configuration called as a so there is indicator called as a auto. This configuration we need to do. Okay. So two configurations we need to do. Then you need to go to SPRO reference IMG. Material management, purchasing, inventory management, goods receipt. So create PO automatically. This is a configuration. So this is 101 and 161. The basically this configuration is already there. So we not required to anything new. It's already existing configuration. Just we need to ensure whether it is there or not. So generally, once everything is done, if the configuration is not there, it won't create pivot. So that's why what we'll do, we will ensure this configuration is there or not. This is one of the configuration. The next one is SPRO, reference IMG, reference IMG, material management, okay, inventory management, settings for goods movement. Next is a field movement for movement types. Okay, so for this one, so 101. So it should be optional entry, not a mandatory. Okay, so we need to remove this one. You need to maintain optional entry. Okay, the concept. Now this is a configuration we need to perform. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll create directly Migo. Okay, so what is the thing? Go to seat R010, and here the moment type will change as a 101. Okay, so here I'm making one. Okay, so partner is nothing. So here you need to give right. So vendor is 370 only. So you maintain and click on check. Now we need to see some configuration. It's some issue. Supplier has not been created for the purchase organization 1810. Can you check why this error is coming?
suppliers. From beginning itself.
No. So where is maybe the configuration? Can you guess it?
Not that 1810 from beginning.
So maybe the configuration, due to that we are getting this one. No, 181 is already linked to Ford. Actually, it should not, right? This is one configuration. Next, another configuration. Okay. It is not there. So here also it won't there. Now it should not come. Let's see. Here, master, we are not maintaining any purchasing group. So we need to maintain that as well. 02. So generally, the whatever the material contents, that all need to maintain. Okay, then can't check. So there is no issues now. Okay, then click on post. So now you see the backend system will create a purchase order. Once it is created, click on the display. Okay, come to the purchase order. Now you see it is created automatically, the PO. Okay, so this is a configuration like without having anything. So you can create in the backend the purchase order. So when you are doing the GR, so you need to create the purchase order automatically. You got this scenario? Like business is not given any order, and they want to create while doing the GR itself. The purchase order should be created backend in the system. You will get a lot of things at that time. I mean, for us, like difficult. No one used to tell the project how it can be happen.
Okay.
Just they used to tell what they know, because all the guys is don't know anything. Like even though I'm like working on some SAP MM, so all business they don't use anything, right? So
Yes.
what they use is
They only
what
know
they know
how to
is
click.
correct. And our at that time servers also not working. So like one server will work, one server won't work. That kind of situations. Okay, so this is how the scenario like a create a PO automatically while doing the GR.
Okay.
Doing the GR. Okay.